We're also here with another handmade knife review. This is our S-Grind Giotto in CPM 154. So basically what we have here is that you have a hollow grind here and then a flat grind on top of that. Basically this is an attempt to get food to not stick to it as readily. Some people love it, some people don't love it. So I find that depending on what you're cutting, it does help a lot. Obviously, potatoes, Velveeta cheese, those are gonna stick to everything. But for like a lot of the other things, herbs will stick to it less, as will meat. So what we have here is a lovely acid wash finish and a piece of beautiful, highly chatoyant mango. Some dimensions for you. The blade length is an even 8 inches with a depth of 1 5/8 inches, so just over 1.5 inches. The handle length is 4 3/4 inches for an overall length of 12 3/4 inches. So what would you use a knife like this for, Giotto, whether it's S-Grind or not? Basically your bulk breakdown. You can use it for meat, you can use it for veg, you can use it for like the larger breakup of the fish, not doing sushi or filleting. You might be able to get away with filleting depending on your skill level. So if you're interested in a very unique knife, take a look at it at serenityknives.com. Thanks for watching.